for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies TV. So now a day after a year, former President J.J. Rawlings, of course, Ogakope, Memamotia says the Intia Wakoya, assemblyman, Yakobo Nitio Ewonifi Ekuno. Now, a day after, former President John Dramani Mahama was also alcohol wanompo de wokosra family no ene omokasa e donate sika se womfa sika no ento nsuo ene other small things bia ho ebehia wom na obviously Mahama Eko no enye ono nkwa na wokoye wone NDC for national chairman I friend Mr. Fuswampofo and a member of parliament for a year South Tong constituency. Now South Tong constituency no ena Sogakope ewo inti member of parliament woye MP Emma Abrantia no wono so woka ho bi Emma womoko ye friend honorable wisdom mensa woyome ene some few party executives constituency executive ya wono so ekoye womoko stra family netina ase ekasa ye edi abobo etre womo se asema esi no eyade bia yaye. Now, Mahama Wiye, he called on Ghana police to act fast. And there, I mean, say, yache 5 people in total, 2 policemen and 3 other people who are allegedly or who are suspected to be connected to the death of Sir Abrantie, Marcus. For me, I see, say, BBC, Mahama Ayeno, there's nothing wrong. At least, if for nothing at all, he's a statesman. Mijinisa Wobibeka said, it looks like NDC for far as same way serious every certain because the first person or call Ekosra Womo, Yabeka said, Okuja to Abrakwa, Wono, any the minority and now NDC voter caucus, no, Womonso, I think they went there to visit. And Sana, a year J.J. Rawlings and so Ekosra Womo and Sana Sisia Mahama into will be better nature. I said, I said NDC for air fast and way serious, air fast and serious. Now MPP for Enyashi and Faho. Now MPP for so they are actually doing something about it because Assembly C first no the regional minister Eba Bontain I think about 10,000 Ghana cedis Eba to so bounty. So wow wobema yebechi womo womo kun abrantia no yebema on sa asika no. Regional minister no the yenim and said the regional minister is selected by the ruling government. It's the MPP never so now say almost selected regional minister. It tells you says our regional minister no way MPP ni. It's at least we the any MPP any NDC asem obi ena ewu. Into no both political parties. For me, I'll say I am really impressed. Say womunia eteki sa asem way serious. I just hope say other matters and also ABC Ghana has involving the killing of people like this, no, and also what more find serious because take it or leave it because these people have taken it seriously, you know. The police are also taking it serious, and there were more actually in Crawford 5. We are being told, and Nininalo it goes down to one point. The entire Mahama every city, the entire Rawlings every city, the entire regional minister Edisika Etu Omutiso. Womo no dentia MP voter caucus omunia womo visit no say imebunu no eka say assembly there enough is enough ye be sorry na ye authorities no akon because womo kunye nipa. That's what I'm saying. Nanka mebunu no an sorry menya sure say nanka we nyina no ebesi so ye kaya na ya kai that part of the story as well. Anyway, quickly Yanko and Semnimu. Now, let's read what Ghanaians are saying about Mahama's visit because Minimse Ghana for the Assembly Basaya. One more day, ebeye politics no at the beye. One more make us say, oh, we find politics no so one more enya day and find until quickly. Let's go into the Ghana for a kind. We'll be see. Okay, so one thing they say, former President Mahama Sika will donate a 2,000 Ghana cedis. 2,000 cedis are what the man was say one more and fan pains you enter. Na wamunya visitors guy no ama visitors no wa wonim a year abefie. People are not happy. with sa 2,000 cedis na Mahama donate ye will be say so former president pan 2,000 cedis and I'll donate here and only asema will be so eba troye obi so say obi say Mahama will celebrate the 64th independence celebration at the Insawan maximum security cell next year. I don't know what this person is talking about, but I mean we are seriously talking about the death of the assembly member. Also, there would be Femi Ghana for also there. Some okay. Comments on social, people actually insulting each other. Will be AD Akufo-Addo attempts Akufo-Addo is running a criminal organization and blah 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 blah. I mean, you guys can't just keep to the script, man. Charlie, those bad energy. Let me just check through and get some nice comments, because comments are urban here. I'm sorry, bad. Bad and food the diatem will be say Mr. Airbus. Hey, just Mahama, a man no. So Airbus and say me see in tears you. Now so still Ghana because Mahama mba bonti ye make some fa huniti ye they are telling the con watch train the con asamo okay Obi say the undertaker at work of the country will not become ungovernable and people will die, and we can visit bereaved families or solidarity sake of people to know that we care. Some parties manifesto. Okay, the nipa we can what this person is saying, and they say we share NDC for especially leak paper a buyer is also say a year of ofusu ampo for no. We say ofusu ampo for more and NDC for can say yan kidnapping crofo enkum crofo na wamu ewie na se ye koko kum crofo a no ma akotena se wamu console the family. And only as a man the paku and I mean you see where the person is drawing the whole issue from. Ghana for we be say wo ho kan to say Akufo-Addo na motium senior criminal, where are the excavators and Abubuya? You see obi ewu na ye ni ya serious na ye ka ho asem ye hwe senia ye bechi because ya tse nkrofo 8 na ye involved ye hwe senia ye bechi wo mo ye involved nia no afei Airbus Abubuya and ye beka wase de bia metremo said the current political system in Ghana na asay yo me can't move fi say me boa but a serious issue e was say ye ni ye discuss ye de ya dwen ba no na wo bi eba be di atem obe say wo bi akwahwe kwani bi se bimpre duasa as se be woni baby krada obe say watwe na no because of bundle 1 CD bi a waye cheap bundle bi a waye na watwe na no esi wo bi ti say President Akufo-Addo so di Akufo-Addo atem sisi ademi widi che wo si Akufo-Addo amotiem kankan che say enye easy o. Meanwhile Akufo-Addo uhu ne kranka obe starstruck na nka che say Akufo-Addo chia okra me nya sure say wonsa no be hohroda, but because of politics ubetina internet you hide behind the phone and cheap bundle and insult someone like President Akufo-Addo. Likewise obi so was supporting NPP Sabin Imprediasan Mahama pa gentleman John Dramani Mahama or your family member na kame ye sure say send ya wodi be ye tu no e de akopemba no na kenye bini. But because of politics, you also sit behind the phone and insult Mahama. And ye bia adengana politics inti will be a papa yin kana. At least all time Mahama krana sa adie we ya no, he has shown his true statesmanship. What say we a statesman? At least what say will show concern. If for nothing at all krana, you just say that say oh wait there Mahama why are there badabi Ghana there ti. Esan se me wa MPP nti me NDC de obeye bia anya me fe de Mahama beye bia e wo se me ba bonte be di natem. Esan se me wa NDC nti de MPP beye bia eye kun e ma me se dem prediasan. De Akufo-Addo beye bia se me ba bonte e be den e be di natem. And this is the current political system we are running in this country. Na me ya if those who involve themselves in things like this are the youth, because they are the future. Now at this age the war yeni na wo benyi na wo ye na adwen se wo beye politics ni fully a enka ne den na wo beye kene de obeke bia wo mfiu wo free opposition nkwa de obehu se 7 previous wo ya aboa bi obi ewu yakwa akosra obi say former president na 2000 cedis moi ena Mahama ko ho ena wokoka say I am giving 1 million Ghana cedis moi na mo be kasa say hey and the airpass ikano ena Mahama de akoma abrante na wewu nebusiafo na kamwa na mo be kasa Mahama ngase yi ni botomu sika 2000 cedis wo mo fanto nsio o kasa say former president obema sika bia 2000 cedis ena oma anye bia Mahama no uye sika to ni botomu ana. He could have not gone. Wanka any kwan say wo be man nkofo ni sika na kan 2000 cedis at least e be kan the bottom. He could have not gone. But wako at least wako no wakoma 2000 na obejina say former president pa 2000 cedis na oma won koma saying aden na motisa wo Ghana ha say. Try mo adwo comment box no me da say